Are you ever going to work on new Ocean Lab material?
Well, we love working with Justine, and we've been jamming in the studio and playing around, having a bit of fun, but we have no immediate plans to release an Ocean Lab single, at least.
Another question from two listeners, Edwin Baru from Nairobi and Mohammed Javed in South Africa. They both write, we really love Group Therapy. Are you working on a new album?
Yes, we're probably knee-deep in the album writing process, and we have a couple of tracks we're really happy with, but there's still a long way to go. So patience, my friends, patience. The follow-up for Group Therapy is on its way.
We have 5 copies of Anjuna Beats for Intent to give away. Answer the following question. There's a new track of Above and Beyond on the double disc, named after a character in the TV series Breaking Bad. What is the name of this character? Email your answer to armin@thestateoftrance.com. Mention Anjuna Beats Volume 10. Don't forget your address details. Thank you, Pavo, for dropping by.
Well, thanks for having me on the show, and see you at the State of Trance 600 in Miami on the 24th of March.